In 2024, DoorDash made it much simpler for restaurant partners to update their business location through the merchant portal. To begin, log into your DoorDash for Business account and head to Store Settings or your restaurant profile. Inside the Store Information section, you'll find your current address with an option to edit it. Enter your full new address carefully, including the correct zip code, and review your delivery radius to make sure it aligns with your new area. Before submitting the change, gather the required documents. DoorDash typically asks for proof such as a lease agreement and an updated business license reflecting the new address. Upload clear, complete copies to avoid delays. Most standard location updates are reviewed within 24 to 48 hours once documentation is submitted. If you're unable to complete the update through self service, contact DoorDash merchant support directly through the help section in your portal. Have your new address, documentation, reason for the move, and desired go live date ready to speed up the process. After approval, monitor your store performance closely. Location changes can affect delivery zones, fees, driver availability, and order volume. It's smart to notify customers ahead of time and track order trends and feedback once the new address goes live.